Good morning children. Today we will see exercise 16.3. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Principal is rupees 500. Amount is rupees 650. Interest we have to find out. What we have to find out? We have to find interest. So what is the formula of interest? Interest equal amount minus principal. What is the amount? 650 minus principal how much? 500. Minus it is rupees 150. Is it clear? Now the second question. Principal is given rupees 625. Interest it is given 125. Amount we have to find out. So we have to find amount. The amount formula is principal, yes, plus interest. How much is the principal? 625 plus interest is 125. Add 5 plus 5, 10. 2 to 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. That is rupees 750. The third question. Interest, it is given rupees 280. Amount 1280. We have to find principal. What is the formula principal? Just remember. Yes. Anyone can say principal equal amount, yes, minus interest. How much is the amount? Amount is 1280 minus how much is the interest? That is 280 is the interest. Subtract it. 8 minus 0, 0, 2 minus 0, 0, 1. That is rupees 1000 is the principal. Question number 4 and 5 is your homework. Question number 2. Calculate simple interest. Principal equal rupees 4000. Rate 6%. Time equal 3 years. What to find out? Simple interest. Simple interest. We know the formula of simple interest equal principal into rate into time upon 100. Now put the value of principal, rate and time and cancel it. The value of principal is rupees 4006 into 3 upon 100. Cancel this 20. How much is left? That is rupees, multiply it, 720. Is it clear? Question number 2 is also your homework. Question number 3 I am solving for you. Principal it is given, rate it is given, time it is in the mix. We have to change it into whole. And the same formula, what we have to find out? Simple interest equal principal into time into rate upon 100. How much is the principal? 480. How much is the time? Time it is in the mixed form. We have to change into whole. How to change into whole? We know 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. 5 upon 2. How much is the rate? 7.75 upon 100. Is it clear to everyone? Now cancel it with the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0. What is left? 240 into 5 into 7.75 upon 100. Is it clear? Now with the table of 2 again you cancel. 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0. 2 1s are 2 2s are again 0. With the table of 5, 5 10s are 50. Cancel this 0 and 0. What is left? 12 into 7.75. Multiply 12 with 7.75. How much to multiply? 12 multiply 7.75. If you multiply 12 with 7.75, how much it is coming? Rupees 93. Is it clear? Question number 4th is also your homework. Question number 5 I am solving for you. Check it how to solve it. Principal is given in rupees 2400. Rate it is also given in mix. You have to change into whole, that is 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 13 upon 2. Time is given 8 month. Month we have to change into year. We have to put 8 upon 12. So we have to find simple interest equal principal into time into rate upon 100. Now what is the principal? 2400. Time how much? 8 month we have to change into year, so upon 12. Rate it is mixed, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13 upon 2, and we know as it is a percent we have to divide with 100. Is this step clear to everyone? Now cancel it, 0 0 0 0. Then cancel with the table of 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. This 2 and 2 you cancel. Now how much is left? 8 into 13. How much is left? 8 into 13. You write over here 8 into 13. Then 13 8s are, you know the table, 104. How much? Simple interest is rupees 104. Is it clear? Question number 3rd. Calculate amount. We have to find amount. Principal is given 2700. Rate is given 7%. Time is 2 years. We have to find amount. The formula of amount is principal plus interest. Principal is given. First we have to find interest for that. That means simple interest. What is the formula of simple interest? Principal into time into rate upon 100. Now, how much is the principal? 2700. Time 2 years. Rate 7% upon 100. Cancel the 0 0 0 0. Then multiply. You will get rupees 378. This is the simple interest. Now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate amount. What is the formula of amount? Amount equal principal, yes, plus interest. Interest or simple interest, it is same. Interest and simple interest both are same. Now how much is the principal? 2700 is the principal, and interest how much? That is we got 378. You add both, that is 3078 is the principal. Is it clear? Now question number 2 is very important. See it very carefully. Principal it is given 1500. Rate it is in the mixed. Time it is given in days. Time it is given in days. We have to change this day in the year. We know in 1 year how many days is there? 365. So we have to divide this with 365. The same formula, simple interest equal principal, time into rate upon 100. How much is the principal? That is 1500 into time 146 upon how much we have to write? 365. 365. Days we have to change into year, so we have to write 365 upon, we have to divide it, into rate it is mixed, 2 6 are 12, 1 13, 13 upon 2. As it is percent, 100 will come as it is. Is this step clear to everyone? Now cancel the 0 0 0 0. With the table of 2 you cancel. 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6. Now divide 365 with the table of 13. If you divide, it will, you divide 365 with the table of 73. That means 73 1s are 73, 73 5s are 5 3s are 15, 1 carry, 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. You got? Now with the table of 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15. How much is in the numerator? That means 3 into 13. That is rupees 39. How much is the simple interest? 39. What to find out? Amount. Amount equal principal plus interest. How much is the principal? Principal is given 1500 plus how much is the interest? That is 39. 1500 plus 39, it is rupees 1539. Is it clear? Question number 3rd is your homework. You try to do it. See, question number 4, principal is given 1000, rate is 7.25%. Time, it is in month. We have to change this month into year, so we have to divide with 12. So what is the formula of simple interest? Simple interest equal principal into time into rate upon 100. Now principal how much it is? 1000. Time is 8. Month we have to change into year. That is 8 upon 12 multiply 7.25, that is percent. So if we remove percent, we have to divide with 100. 0, 0, 0, 0. Then with the table of 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. How much is left? 10 into 2 into 7.25 upon 3. So what is left in the numerator? 10 into 2, 20. Multiply 7.25 upon 3. 20 multiply 7.25, it is 145 upon 3. You divide 145 with 3, it will be 48.33. So what is the simple interest? Simple interest is rupees 48.33. What to find out? Amount. Amount equal principal plus interest. How much is the principal? Principal is rupees 1000 plus interest is 48.33. If you add 1000, 48.33 amount will be.